There you go, FIFA 18. You got it for absolutely free, so I'm going to drift away.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the FIFA 18 for PS3 and it's for free. So what you need to do is download these 3 files from the description. It should be 3 package files. Then you need to have the PS3 hand. If you don't know what it is, you can search it up on YouTube. You should watch his video, and he has 2 videos. One is for updated version and how to get 4 GB or above games, and yeah, so you should watch these 2 videos. I'll leave these 2 videos link in the description, and when you watch this, then you can proceed with my steps or Daniel's steps too. You should, if you have watched this and done everything correctly, you get a hand and package manager and a hand toolbox. You should update that if it's update enable, or it's your choice. Then if you watch the video correctly, you should have a package PS3 exploit Resigner 2.00, or it could be a lower version. Just download a newer version. Then open it, just get it to the Rift Master and put these 3 into the Rift Master folder right there. Then drag every 3 to the Rift EDAS Resigner. Drag one by one, so we drag this there, this there, and this there. But I have already done that, and you should get like this. Now what you do is copy these. So we copy, and you go to your package link that you got. When you watch the video, for sure you can download it. So yours should look like this. Just run it, and it should say something. Yours might look like this. Wait. Yours might look like this. Just click on it. Yes. Okay. And do the setup and that it says, and you should be good to go. There, it's guiding me a message. Just click on yes. Okay. Next. Install, and wait until it's installed and finish. Then you can double click on patch, or not, you do not. It will just pop up and you click on yes, double tap enter, okay, and you should get this. You are done now. Now what you do is close everything and put in the packages that you have. It should be 3 packages right there. I put them in, and now you open package linker. Yes. Yes. And double tap enter. Okay. It should be a window prompt. Okay. And done. Now if you have watched this video, you know what to do. Now you go in PS3. Oh wait, you need a USB for this. You put this package list in your USB. I will just get my USB and plug it in. So I plugged in my USB, and then you can just format your USB and put the package linker in your USB. Just drag it on your USB. Drag it to your USB and done. Now I will show you the message to on the PS3. Make sure to not close this. Make sure to not close this or this. So we take out your USB, plug it in your PS3, and I will show you how to do it. So we are on the PS3, and you need to go to your dummy account. And then you go to your hand toolbox, enable hand enabler. We are enabling right now, so this might take 10 seconds. That's done now. We'll go to the, wait, you need to be in the main account, and now Make sure you're on that. Make sure. And now you go to the package manager and wait, you go to install packages and standard. If you see no packages, make sure you have your USB plug in. I'm going to plug in my USB right now. And there I have plugged in. Now you can see package list and you install. Now it's installing. So it's restarted. There it's up and running. You select your dummy account, and then you wait until the player network locks in. And now you go to hand toolbox, enable hand enabler. You can enable from here. Now it's enabling and done. You go to package manager, install packages from web server, and you select the first one, that's 5.8 GB. And I will come back when this download has been done. So yeah, see you guys when it's done. Peace.
So the installation is successful. As you can see, you just click on O and package manager. Go back to install packages from web server and download these two. I will download the 61 MB first and then download the 100 KB. As you can see, this is the patch. It's doing its job right now. So installing, and it's installed. Oh, and again to package manager. Install packages from web server, and the last one, the LIC. This one. This should just like take 11 seconds or something. And now, as you see, there you have FIFA 18. If you can launch it, I'll show you that it works. There you go, FIFA 18. You got it for absolutely free. So I'm going to end this video right here.